Hi everyone, I'm in Goldfish Street, which is in Mong, and it's usually known as Goldfish Street, and you're going to find out why in a moment. It's known as Goldfish Street because there are so many shops here selling tropical fish, especially goldfish. Every other shop. It's something to do with fish. But when you come here, something not to be missed is to come to this little shop here to eat a Hong Kong delicacy known as smelly bean curd. Yummy! I'm standing in the middle of the street and I can smell it even though I can't even see it, but I'm going to try it and give you a bit of a review afterwards. It's quite a long queue, isn't it?
Are you? How many you want?
One. Fantastic. Messi looks good. Chow Tofu. Very hot inside and very spicy. The chow tofu was absolutely amazing. Once you get past what they call the smell, but it's actually an aroma, and you've got it in your mouth, the smell or the aroma just totally disappears and you can love the flavour. A nice big chunk of tofu. It's been deep fried and crispy on the outside and light and delicate in the middle. On top of that, you've got some lovely spicy sauce which really makes it dance on the tongue. You really should check it out if you get the chance. I'm Essex Dave. Thanks for visiting my channel. If you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe, hit the notifications bell. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it, and as always, I will see you later.